everyone, I Shruti Jain welcome you here to our channel Eduncle UGC NET Ki Taiyari, where we'll talk about UGC NET important books and topics for English Literature Paper 2. Ji haan, today we'll talk about the English Literature, which books you must refer and which topics you must study in order to prepare yourself for the UGC NET exam. As we all know that UGC NET application forms are going on, you are filling the forms, many children are filling the forms right now, and the last day to fill the form is 20th May. So if you haven't filled the form yet, go to our description given below where you'll find the link and go and fill the form right away. So today we'll talk about the important books which you must refer and topics which you must cover in order to prepare yourself for the UGC NET exam, English Literature. As we all know that in UGC there are two types of papers, that is paper 1 and paper 2. So general paper 1 is common for all the students, and for the paper 2 you opt for one particular subject. So for that one particular subject we have English Literature today as our topic, and we'll be covering the important topics covered in that. So what to study in paper 1 and paper 2, my first slide says itself that what to study in paper 1 and paper 2. I'll be talking about that particular thing in this particular video. So do watch this video completely and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do share this with your other fellow students, with other friends as well, so that they are also not missing out the important topics as well. And what to prepare, how to prepare in English Literature, that I'll be talking about in this particular video. So let me just give you a gist about the paper pattern. So for your paper 1, that is general paper 1, which is common for all the subjects, you will be getting 50 MCQs, that will be of 100 marks. Then for the English Literature or the other subjects the students choose, for the paper 2, that is of 200 marks, and that comprises of 100 MCQs. So right now we are talking about just the English Literature. So for that as well, you will be getting 50 MCQs, and that is of 100 marks for the general paper 1, and for your English Literature you will be getting 100 MCQs, that will be of 200 marks. Okay, so let's talk. This was your paper pattern. Now let me just tell you about the important topics of NET General Paper 1, that is UGC NET General Paper 1, though I'll be coming with another video for specifically for General Paper 1, but let me just tell you the important topics. So it is environmental science, research aptitude, teaching aptitude, computer education, polity education and important dates. So these are few of the topics which is very important in order to prepare for your General Paper 1. Though I'm again saying that I'll be coming up with another video very soon for this General Paper 1. So just don't worry about it. I'll give you the complete detail about it. But for the time being, what you can do is you can enroll yourself. For the Eduncle classes, Eduncle is going live right now, and it is going with the offer right now that you will be getting 50% off right now if you take this course. And for this you can click on this link which says bit.ly/500FFUGC. This link is mentioned here, you can again see that, and this link will also be given in the description box. You can go there and you can click on this link and get yourself this course. So do your 100% life ki tayari with just 50%, by just paying 50% for it. So, or you may just give a call on this number that says 800-355-2211. So this is the Eduncle which is going live and is giving you offer for general paper 1 as well. So now let's come on to the topic English Literature. That is important books we'll be talking about and important topics we'll be talking about for paper 2 English. So this is the table which I have sorted for you just to save your time, that you are not wasting your time in searching out which books I have to refer, which topics I have to refer, as we all know that UGC NET exam are about to come in just a month or two, or I cannot say even 1 or 1.5 months are left approximately, and the exams are about to come as the form filling is already going on. So hardly 1 month is left for your UGC NET exam. So I have sorted out books and topics for you. So this is the table which says the important topics. I can just read it out for you. That is Chaucer to Shakespeare, Romantic period, Victorian period, modern period, contemporary period, history of English language. So these are the few topics which you must go through in order to prepare yourself well and in order to be exam ready for this particular subject, which is UGC NET English Literature, that is paper 2. Okay, now these are again few more topics, another 8 topics I have listed for you. That is English language teaching, Indian writing in English, Indian literature in English translation, contemporary British literature, modern British literature, American and other non-British English literature, contemporary theory, and literary theory and criticism. So don't waste your time in searching out the topics Eduncle has already done for you. Eduncle has already listed important topics for you. So save your time here, and in this short span of 1 month, just go with these topics in order to prepare yourself well. Okay, so these are the important topics which I told you. Prepare yourself very well with these topics. I'm sure that you'll get a good number, a good score when you'll be preparing for these topics. So this is the exam-oriented study material which Eduncle has brought for you. So I'm again saying it, go with these topics. These are very important topics as if I see from the exam point of view for UGC NET. Okay, now this is the 4 main modules, or I can say I have divided your entire syllabus in 4 main parts. That is English literature, literary criticism, literary theory, and literary glossary. So we'll talk about all these 4 modules, or I can just say 4 parts in detail now, and I'll be just telling you what all things you need. So if I just talk about the first part, that is English literature. In these are the books which you must refer. I'm sure that you are going to score really well if you go with these books. So this is English literature by William J. Long. This is the most, I can say, the most referred book for UGC NET exam. Then next is English literature by Arihant experts. Then there is Truman's English literature by B.P. Panigrahi. So there are students which really go with these books to prepare themselves well for their exam. So I will also refer these books as well. So Eduncle really helps you. Eduncle has really sorted out your study material according to the exam point of view. So really go with these books for this first part. Now if I talk about the second and the third module, which is literary criticism and literary theory. So these are the books which you must go through. That is literary criticism by M.A.R. Habib. Then there is an objective and analytical approach to English literature by Dr. Vivekanand Jha. Then there is companion to comparative literatures, world literatures and comparative cultural studies, that is given by Stephen Totsi. And then there is literary theory by Saugata Bhaduri and Simi Malhotra. And if I talk about another book, which is Contemporary Literary and Cultural Theory by Pramod K. Nair. So these are the books for the second part, that is literary criticism and literary theory. For this entire 1 month, I would really prefer that go with these books and prepare yourself well. So if I talk about the fourth module or fourth part, it is literary glossary of terms, that is literary glossary of terms, and in this a glossary of literary terms by M.H. Abrams. This is the book which I would really refer to in order to prepare yourself. So these are the important books which I talked about. Now I have few more books, but as exams are about to come, these are the books which are really high. I could say which carries a very large volume. So as only just 1 month left, I would not say that you don't go with these books. But if you have your time, go with these books. I would really prefer. Otherwise, You can, I can just say that these are very long books. This is a very long, number of pages are very high. So if you have your time left, if you are prepared with your exams, if you are prepared with those important topics and have time left for the revision, then you can go with these books as well, which is books like David Deiches, and the other one is UGC JRF by R.S. Malik. So though these are very long books, these are good books, these are important books, but I would just say that, first go with those important topics and modules that will really help you in all your exams. So if you are not running out of your time, if you are not suffering from time constraint, go with these books as well in order to prepare yourself. Okay, so apart from reading these books, what you can do is you can enroll yourself in the free demo class as well. The live classes are going on right now. Apart from that, if you want a demo, that is a free demo available by Eduncle, enroll yourself today. The detail is given in the description box as well. You can see what we are providing. We are providing the live classes, and apart from it, you will be getting the recorded lectures along with the complete study material. So you don't have to worry about anything. You can go with these live classes, you can get the recorded lectures, you can ask whatever doubts you have from our mentors, you can call us on the number which is given as I just showed you, or you can just drop any of your doubt in the comment box, and you can have all your doubts cleared. Apart from that, you can get all the model solved papers, previous year papers, so that you can have a just like what types of questions comes and what type of questions came in last years, and this is how you can really prepare yourself very well. So you can just click on this link as well, bit.ly/demo UGC, and book your demo class right away. So this link is also given in the description box. So don't waste your time, just 1 month is left. Prepare yourself very well. I will be coming up with other videos for other topics, for other subjects as well. So this was all about English literature. Do prepare yourself really well, and if you have any doubt, any questions, drop it in our comment box. Anything you want me to come up with, any topic you want me to cover in a particular video, do let me know. I'll be happy to make a video for the same, as other students also say for it. So do well, prepare yourself well, and with Eduncle karo life ki tayari.
Now install all new Eduncle mobile app for a holistic learning experience of your higher education. From doubt solutions, preparation notes, exam updates, and practice questions, get all of these under one roof. Follow our social media for latest exam notifications and share your concerns with us through WhatsApp. Like the video, subscribe the channel, and comment your suggestions down below. With Eduncle karo life ki tayari.